Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block spam calls and messages in Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to block spam calls or messages, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your phone call app in your phone, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then go to settings. In settings you'll get the first option, which is caller ID and spam. Just select it, and here you can see there's this two setting, which is see caller ID and spam, and the second one is filter spam call. You just have to enable these two, and here you can see this it prevents suspected spam calls from disturbing you. It will filter all spam calls. So if you're still having any spam call, you just have to keep a long press on the number and then select block or report spam, and here you have to enable this one and then select block. In this way you can easily report a spam to your phone call app. So after that just open messages app, and here just keep and hold on any number and then select three dots in the top right corner, and here you'll get block. And here's the spam. If you are getting any spam messages, you can easily report the number as a spam, and then you can easily block that. So that's how you can easily block spam calls and messages on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.